Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan QR codes with your Coinbase wallet. First, open your Coinbase wallet application on your mobile device. Look for the scan or QR code icon, usually found on the main screen or within the navigation menu. Tap this icon to activate your device's camera. Ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to access your camera, as this is crucial for the scanning process to function correctly and smoothly. Once your camera is active, carefully position your device so the QR code is centered within the frame on your screen. Try to hold your phone steady to allow the wallet to focus and read the code accurately. Good lighting is also important. Avoid shadows or glare that might obscure the code. The wallet should automatically detect and process the information once it has a clear view. After a successful scan, your Coinbase wallet will display the details associated with the QR code. This might include a cryptocurrency address for sending funds or information about a decentralized application. Always take a moment to carefully review these details, especially the recipient address and any amounts involved in a transaction. Once you've verified everything is correct, you can tap Confirm or Approve to proceed. If you're having trouble scanning, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your phone's camera lens is clean, as smudges can prevent clear focus. Adjust your distance from the QR code. Sometimes moving slightly closer or further away helps the camera focus better. If issues persist, try restarting the Coinbase wallet application. These simple steps often resolve common scanning difficulties, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.